specific tool, sex offender monitoring, has got me more referrals than any other part of our entire program because people want to know what's going on around them. They'll go out and talk to other people and say, listen, can you see how I can do this? I can, excuse me, check this area. It is a powerful, powerful tool. I'm going to call them back in 5 weeks. And again, make sure that if it's the reason, if they bought our membership to get a will, that they've got that done. At 5 days, I'll mail them a will kit. I'll PDF and send them an email with a will kit, or I'll show them how to do it over their mobile device. I know that when I call them back in 5 weeks, many, many times, they've still not finished it. But at 5 weeks, many of them say, well, we started, but we had a couple questions. That is not the time for me as the sales associate to answer those questions, but to put them in touch with the attorney. Show them how to push the button on that mobile app and ask the attorney from 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, those legal questions. I know that if I get them talking to an attorney, my retention skyrockets. I want them using the service. I'm going to do the same thing at 5 months. Hey, this is Bill Walker, just wanting to check in with you and make sure that everything is going okay. Ladies and gentlemen, if I stay on that, working with people, my retention will skyrocket, which means my income increases every year because retention matters.